हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टूडेंट पॉइंट अकेडमी। आज हम देखते हैं इट्स माय ओन क्लास का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। फर्स्ट रीड करना है आपको बिटवीन मिसेस देसाई एंड हर स्टूडेंट का कन्वर्सेशन और फिर अस्मिता और स्नेहल का। नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। से वेदर द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस आर राइट और लॉन्ग, और जो राइट नहीं है उसे हमें राइट करना है। They are both boys and girls in this class. True. They never quarrel. False. They sometimes quarrel and fight, but they always stay united. Always stay united when facing other. When facing other. Their teacher never shout at them. False. Their teacher often shout at them. Their teacher often shout at them for poor marks or incomplete work. There was no unity among the students in the class. False. Obviously, there was strong unity. There was strong unity among the student in the class. Sushmita spoke to the teacher in a low, soft voice. True. Asmita is telling us their story. True. Screenshot ले लो इसका. Discuss the following question. Why does Mrs. Desai class like her? Because Mrs. Desai's class like her because she respect she respects them and talks to them politely. She never calls them she never calls them children. She says young man or young lady or my dear, which makes them feel valued and mature. She also appreciates their unity and wants the best for them. Next. Should Mrs. Desai have been angry or unhappy? No. Anger wouldn't solve anything. Wouldn't solve anything. She was disappointed but caring. Her sadness showed she wanted she wanted them to do better. Them to do better. not just obey or fear punishment. Her emotional reaction means she expected more. She expected more from them because she believed in their potential. Next, use information to make meaningful sentences. First, always. We should always speak the truth regularly. The student do not attend school रेगुलरली. स्टूडेंट रोज अपना स्कूल अटेंड नहीं कर रहे थे. समटाइम्स द स्टूडेंट quarrel but they soon become friends. Never. Student should never miss classes. Student should never miss classes. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. ओके, इट्स सेल्फ और सेल्फ. ओके, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे हमें लिखना है. आई का क्या होगा? माई सेल्फ. वी आर सेल्व्स. You, yourself, you, yourselves, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves. Screenshot ले लो. Say the alphabet from A to Z. There are 26 letters in alphabet. Divide them into the group of a rhyming letter. For example, Q, U, W are rhyming. There that in U sound. Did you find? Okay. Rhyming words लिखने हैं यहाँ पे अल्फ़ाबेट के थ्रू उन्हें. So first AJY, AJK end with A. Second BCD, EFG, PTVZ end with E. FLMNSX end with E or S. Sound. Next, H end with H, that is unique. I, Y end with I sound. O end with O. Q, U, W end with U. And R end with R. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका. यहाँ पे होता है हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कंप्लीट. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक कवर करेंगे. तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहो. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दो ताकि जब भी न्यू लेक्चर अपलोड हो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में.